shaking ass with your hand out. 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 I get you shaking ass with your hand out. 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 I get you shaking ass with your hand out. I'm that bitch. 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 'Cause I motherfucking said so. I'm that bitch. 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 'Cause I motherfucking said so.
Let's get started on this one curling tutorial. I'm gonna take out these curlers. Let's see which one I want to use, y'all, because I got options in this bitch. So this is how the curlers look. They're pink. This is the size of the first option. I'm probably gonna use the way smaller one in here, but this is a perfect size, to be honest. So yeah, we also got this big barrel one. We got another barrel one, but it's slightly smaller than the one I just showed y'all. This is probably like medium. Then this one slightly smaller. And then this one is the tiniest, y'all. This is the one I'm probably gonna use because I want my curls to be like real skinny, real baby dollish like curls. So this is the one that I'm gonna put on and curl my hair with. So let's take this one off and put this one on. I think you press these two buttons right here at the same time to take it off. Let's see. Yeah. And we're gonna put this one on. Is this the right way?
20 minutes later.
I think it's this way. Hold up.
2 hours later.
Right. Then we just snap it on like that. It was that fucking easy, y'all. Period. Let me plug these up. Let me make sure they're working properly also. Oh, it's already on. So let's wait till they heat up. Oh, it's already heating up, period. It's already heating up, so let's get started, y'all, period. So I'm done, y'all, and y'all really see me feeling myself right here until we get to right about there. What the fuck is that?
You like it? You like it?
The fuck is this?
I forgot to curl a whole string of hair in the back. That's what that is. I thought I was cute. I thought I was doing something. I thought I was popping my shit, but this is just embarrassing and I'm ugly as fuck. Like, look at me biting my finger and shit, not knowing that I got a flat ass straight piece in the back. Like, I'm not a bad bitch right now. Like, I really can't deal. Like, look, I'm just showing my head to y'all like I just ate that shit up, like it's done. But I did eventually see it and I fixed the problem, so not too much on me, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the look and it came out so cute. I may keep the curls like this for a little bit and then fluff them out to make them like bigger and like puffier, but for now I like this little baby doll curl look right here. So yes, y'all, this is how it's looking. This is how the back look. Yeah, let me know if y'all like these curls or should I fluff it out a little bit to make it like bigger, like a afro type of thing. But yes, y'all, let me back up. I'm so in love, period. So I want to tell y'all that my launch date for my new press-on nail collection, Pink Control Mode, is on August 20th, which is a couple days away. So about time y'all see this video, the collection will already be out. But I got a lot of things to do. I gotta create and send out emails to my email subscribers to promote my new collection. So if you're not subscribed to my email list, go subscribe right now, link in description. I gotta make more promo videos and take more pictures. I also gotta pack up more nail essential tools. So speaking of that, I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned for that. If y'all want to know all the free items that comes with every nail order, we're gonna do that and pack them up tomorrow. So these are the nail essential tool bags that I was telling y'all about yesterday. So we are about to get ready to make more of these because I only got like 6 bags made. So yeah, it comes with 2 alcohol pads, a claw file, cuticle pusher, nail glue, and a nail buffer. Also a thank you card and 3 random pink stickers to go with my pink press-on nail collection. So I'm just taking this small clear bag and putting all the nail essentials in them except for the buffer because the buffer cannot fit in there because it's too big. And this is how the bag looks with everything in it. Next, I'm taking my bigger black bag and I'm putting the nail essentials in there. Also the claw buffer. These are the random stickers that I was talking about and the thank you card. So I'm putting those in there as well. And those are all the free items that comes with every nail order. And once I'm done, I'm tossing it in my storage drawer. Now y'all can watch me make the rest of them as I'm watching baddies. Let me know in the comments, do y'all watch baddies and who your favorite baddie is if y'all do.
My love, before I just wanted love.